There was a time when I had it all. People would ask me, what was it like being untouchable? The question they really should have asked was, what happens when it's all over?
You set a good example by snitching on your friends in the mob.
We're not in Brooklyn anymore.
I don't think there's anywhere further from Brooklyn than this rat hole.
I'm sick of being in witness protection.
Welcome to France. Try to fit in. I'm getting tired of finding you a new place to live every 90 days.
So, do we still have the same names?
No, we are the Blake family.
Anything to report? Kids, school?
Oops. You know, they always adjust better than we do.
You're a maniac.
Thank you.
Let's talk about the complaints I have received.
Complaints?
Corruption, theft, bribery.
I want to see my lawyer.
Du beurre du cacahuète. Peanut butter.
On the right, after the dog food.
Merci.
Stupid America. How's your day?
Fine.
You know what's going to happen to you and your family when they find you.
We're here to make sure that don't happen, right?
Try not to make my job impossible.
They're somewhere finding.
It's a cleanup operation. Get that family out of there.
I confess it's been years since I went to confession.
Your family's the incarnation of evil.
What is all this grief about?
Can I use your phone? You don't lend your phone.
I gotta find my kids.
You're insane.
I know.
How was the first day?
Nothing special.
And I'm feeling good.
Why'd you kill the plumber?
I didn't kill him. I took him to the hospital.
Who's gonna fix the pipes now?
Well, who's gonna rebuild the supermarket that burned down the day we got here? Huh?